going on out there? Where have you guys been? Fuck, maybe where have I been? I've been dying in the heat. We've all been working our asses off. Let's see what's going on here at OTG. Okay, let's get the hell out of this room because there ain't nothing going on. But we have a mess. Look what happened to Big Red. I woke up in the morning and someone took the hood, the fenders, the bumper, the box. They took it all. They took everything off of Big Red. I don't know what I'm going to do now. Driving around like this, put a couple bungee cords on it. Anyway, as you all know, if you don't know, you should know. I think it was like January, February, I bought myself a newer truck to replace Big Red. Yes, don't be all upset. I know, Black Betty was gone first, now Big Red's going. So Big Red's getting fresh paint job, bit of a cleanup. This is how I paint them. So I'm going to sell Big Red, but I'm going to at least paint it properly. I'm not going to paint it with it all together. I'm going to pull the doors, pull the fenders, so I can get in the nooks and crannies. Am I going to get on this thing and get it perfectly straight as can be? Of course not. We're going to leave all the factory ripples and out. We're just going to fix the odd dent that's here and there, and that's it. And give it a fresh paint job. So, anyway, yarded the box here off it. Got some fenders off it, like I say. Looks good. She's pretty clean. Look at her. She's nice and clean in there. You know? No, I'm not going to paint any of this. I'm not doing that. I'm selling the truck. That's it. Now you're probably thinking, what the hell, Rick? You're selling everything. But really, I'm not. I've got Big Red. I don't need Big Red. I got my newer truck, my Chevy pickup, my 03 that I bought now. And I've got my 65 Chevy pickup in the far corner over there that's been in the family since 1972. I got my Model A, I got my Chop Top Meteor, I got my, way up here you can't even see it, I got my 55 Chevy up in that carport, I got my 52 Chevy, I got my 58 Ford. I got cars all over the goddamn place. So, and I don't need that many trucks. Big Red did her time, it's time for someone else to enjoy her. And the box has been waiting forever to go on her. So, anyway, Mike has been working away on this Pontiac. And this has been taking some time. But, looky. I know it's hard to see in here, but she has a quarter panel on. He's rolling right along. He did a beautiful job. You can't even see where he welded it. He welded it right across in there. You can't even tell. Just did a gorgeous job. Very good. This is a 72 Chevy pickup they're building for a gentleman down in Ladner. Over the last, at least a year, he's been bringing us out parts and pieces for it. And we keep doing it. Now the cab was the last part. So the cab's all in first primer. The inside's in final primer, and we're prepping that, getting it ready. And of course there's Big Red's hood right there. There it is. So we got the crew cab, you see. The crew cab way over there. Brad's crew cab. He wants that for next spring. So I'm kind of just doing it as filler here and there when I need to, because that's more of a winter project. But we got the doors. We started on the rear doors doing the bodywork right there. It's all roughed in. So we're getting some primer on them. Mustang, here's the fenders. We stripped those right down the bare metal, we had to, and they need a little rough in on the bodywork, so we got that done. Now I got to take off of this, I got to take a template off of there, put some tape on there, mark where the holes go, use that, take measurements, and then set it on the other fender, because someone's replaced one fender at one time, so the one fender doesn't have any of the holes there for the trim, which you can see right there. I don't know if you can see it. Well, actually, no, there is a few holes there. I see a couple, but not all of them. So we got to fix that up. Sean's working away on the CUDA. He's in there working away, plugging away on it. We've also got the little VW. This is so this is a 1970 VW with 68 fenders on it. The owner's changing it, customizing it, making it his own way. So Sean and I kind of mocked it all up, put it together. This is in final primer, and you can see he's blocking it now. He's made himself some notes. He knows he's finished this fender off in 400. We finish everything in 600 when we're done. But Sean leaves himself notes because he works on so much he forgets. There's a door he's got done in 320. So he's getting there. And we're painting this thing. So here we go, 400. We're painting this bug, not just what you see on the outside. We're painting the inside, outside, everything. It's getting painted underneath. It's getting painted everywhere. This bug is like show car. This is show car material, this one when it's done. So it's getting every single thing painted on it. Take a good look at the CUDA over here. CUDA is now in final primer, and it's getting a lot of areas blocked. You're doing a fine job there. So this one's getting close. I think the owner's talking. It was this real purple color before. The owner's talking going back the original green, which is what it was. Because here it is on the back side of the hood. Can't tell what it looks like when it's been sanded, but it's kind of that, I guess, I don't know, forest green or whatever you want to call it. So that's getting all ready to go. And I got the brand new leaf springs. Let's see here, brand new leaf springs and differential, all put up and underneath the Mustang. And if you remember, everything is sprayed under here. It's all done, seam sealed, sprayed, finished. So that's good. I'm kind of farting around here today. I started back on the Camaro. You remember I took all the back tail panel out. Got that out. So I'm kind of back in here today. That's where we're at on that one. So what else have we been working on? I think that's about it at the moment to show you. More parts here for the Pontiac. Mustang hood. Shoebox Ford parts. Those are my own personal stuff. Shit everywhere. Just shit everywhere. The Pro Street truck sitting right here. You're probably thinking, what's going on? It's all masked up, covered up. Because we got a couple little slight areas that never got paint on right here. Got overlooked, but we take care of it. We take care of that. So that's what's going on there. So we're going to spray that up here this evening. Just two little areas. Honestly, doesn't take long. Touch-up gun. Wham bam. And that's it. It's over. So I'm out here. I'm alive. I'm working away in the heat. I don't know where you guys are at. We got some good heat here. It's like 32. 32. If you want to figure that out, it's like 96, 98. Good weather welding, of course. That's about it. Not much new. T-shirts, keychains, decals, that's all still available if you're interested. I'll get more on these videos a little more. I know I've been telling you that, and I haven't, but I will definitely get onto them now. And it's just nice to know you guys are out there still watching. So hey, it's always a good time at old time. We'll see you next time.